Hi, this is Zach. I'm on top of a mountain in Cranberry Township.
I'm Annabelle. This is definitely not a green screen duck's house. We're here to talk about rain and snow.
Number 1, land and sogginess. 1, you can't really play outside because it's really muddy and you can get your shoes muddy and wet. And it causes general dissatisfaction.
Number 2, mudslides. A mudslide is like a mud avalanche. They can be big or small, and they can destroy roads and buildings.
Number 3, flooding, rain, and melting. Snow, it can cause snow and water levels to rise. It can cause, it's dangerous to homes, roads, and you have to do evacuations.
Number 4, ice. The precipitation can freeze on the ground, causing ice. It's very slippery, and it can also take power on it.
In conclusion, we suggest
that we also move to the desert.
Thank you.
Thank you.